Very quiet and a nice strong breeze. Hi everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the SmartDevil small USB powered desk fan. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see how it comes packaged to you right here in a nice and simple retail box. It's available in 3 different colors. You can check them out through that link below. It has 3 different speeds and it's USB powered. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your user guide and manual right here, followed by their contact and support information on the back side for you. Then you can see we have the small fan itself right here. Looks really nice from the front, says natural wind. You can see the navy blue color scheme and pattern that we have going on with the 2 tones. It looks really nice. You can see it from this side too, 24 degrees, natural wind. We can flip it over to the other side. It's identical, natural wind, 24 degrees. You can see it from the top side right here as well. Very simple plastic construction. Here it is from the back side with our 1 control button to turn it on and off and adjust the 3 speeds. So push the button once to start the fan, push it again for 2nd gear, push it a 3rd time for the 3rd gear, and push it a 4th time to power it down. You can look at the back side too. You can see on the very bottom we have our 2 feet to provide it with nice grip on flat surfaces. It'll keep it in place for us when we're using it. Nice long USB cable as well. Really pretty color for that cable. It looks great. And we have 360-degree adjustments right here. So we can rotate it all the way around as many times as we want, as long as the cable isn't in the way. Now let's go ahead and let's try it out. So since this fan is USB powered, it can work with a variety of USB plugs and options. So we have them all in the studio today. It works with your USB hubs, your USB wall plugs, as you can see right there, your USB power banks, and it even works with your computer. So we have an extension cable right here with this USB hub on it that is plugged into our computer. So let's go ahead, let's try the fan out right now. First, we can plug it into our computer. So here we go, we have it plugged in. Now we can go to the back side, push the power button, and you can see it comes right on. Here's 2nd gear, 3rd gear, and then we can power it off. So it works great, very quiet, and a nice strong breeze. Now let's try it out with our power bank. So we got the power bank turned on right there, and it's plugged in. Let's push the button again. There we go, the fan started right up, no issues at all right there. 3rd gear, just fine. And then we can power it off. Really nice, guys. Very nice breeze. It's actually really impressive. So let's go ahead. Let's plug in the wall plug. Turn it on. No issues. 2nd gear. 3rd gear. Everything's doing great. And then we can go ahead. We can shut it down. And let's try out the USB strip hub as well too. So let's plug it in. Power it on. No issues. 2nd gear. 3rd gear. Just fine. Very strong fan. Really cool and very quiet. So everything works great with the USB power using multiple devices. So now guys, I got my decibel meter out. We're going to go ahead. We're going to try out the fan with all 3 of its speed settings to see how loud it is in each of those settings. So we're going to do that right now. So for the first speed setting, when you push the fan on, you can see the readout that we got around 59 decibels. Now let's see what we get for the 2nd setting. So for the 2nd setting, we're showing 63 decibels. Now let's try it out for the last speed setting. So for the last speed setting, the highest setting for this fan, we're showing 75 decibels. So overall, guys, this product just works. It does exactly what it's intended to do. It gives you 3 speed settings. It's very quiet, and it's also a lot more powerful than I think you would expect. It's got a nice long USB cable for you, so it'll get the job done if you want to keep it on your desk, or maybe underneath your desk blowing at you. In the future, the only thing I'd like to see change from the design standpoint is having this USB cable on the side. You can still rotate this 360 degrees as many times as you want, but you can see we got to kind of, feed the cable through, where if it was on the side and powering it, then we could still rotate it through without having to worry about the cable being there. Not that big of a deal because you have plenty of pivot and tilt where the cable is currently at, but it'd be nice if it was on the side. And if it was not integrated directly to the fan, but if you were able to actually plug it in and out like a charger or your phone or something like that too, where it just had the port on the side and then you could attach whatever cable and cable length that you wanted. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.